Welcome to the kitchen where we make everything but pasta. Today we're going to be making a mango salad, which is quick and simple and delicious. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is cut the mango julienne style. Next we'll slice the red pepper and then chop the cilantro. To make the seasoning for the mango salad, we are going to add the zest of half a lemon and squeeze the juice of half a lemon. A quarter teaspoon of the chili flakes, a quarter teaspoon of the sea salt, 1 teaspoon of maple syrup, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We're going to give this a quick mix and set it aside. To assemble the salad, we're going to take the mango, the julienne mango that we prepared, add the red peppers, 2 tablespoons of the spring onions, and about 3 tablespoons of chopped coriander. Now we're going to pour over the lemon dressing that we just made. Now gently, we'll just mix it all up. And we'll add some roasted peanuts that have been roughly chopped just before we serve.
So here is our mango salad, plated and ready to be served.